Imagine the device sitting under your TV right now. For most people, it's just a box that plays Netflix. But inside the secretive labs of Cupertino, Apple is preparing to turn that quiet little box into the most powerful piece of hardware in your entire home. We are standing on the edge of the biggest shift in home entertainment since the transition from cable to streaming. In 2026, the Apple TV 4K isn't just getting an upgrade, it's getting a soul. If you've been holding off on buying a streaming device, or if you're wondering why your current Apple TV feels a bit stagnant, there is a reason. Apple has been waiting. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. They've been waiting for the silicon to catch up to their vision. And today, we finally pieced together the full picture of the 2026 Apple TV 4K. From a radical price drop that will shock the industry to console-killer gaming specs and the birth of a true AI-powered home, this is everything we know about the future of your living room. For years, the Apple TV has lived in a strange limbo. It was too expensive compared to a $30 Fire Stick, yet not quite powerful enough to replace a PlayStation or an Xbox. But 2026 is the year Apple stops playing nice. The rumors coming out of the supply chain aren't just about a faster processor, they are about a fundamental shift in how Apple views the third screen. Let's talk about the heart of the beast. For the first time ever, Apple is expected to skip the standard iPhone chips and go straight for the juggernaut, the A17 Pro or even a variant of the A18. Why does a streaming box need that much power? It's not just to make the Disney Plus app open faster. It's for something Apple calls local intelligence. While every other smart TV on the market is sending your data to the cloud to process voice commands, the 2026 Apple TV is designed to be a local server. Imagine a Siri that actually works. Siri doesn't say, "I found some results on the web," when you ask it to dim the lights or find a specific scene in a movie. With 8 GB of RAM, the minimum requirement for the new Apple Intelligence Suite, this box will understand context. It will know that when you say, "Play that movie with the guy from The Office," you mean John Krasinski, and it will know which streaming services you actually subscribe to. This isn't just a UI update, it's a total reimagining of the user experience. But here is the part that should have Sony and Microsoft sweating: gaming. For years, Apple Arcade has been cute. It had fun platformers and puzzles. But with the 2026 model, Apple is moving into AAA territory. We are talking about hardware-accelerated ray tracing. We are talking about the ability to run Resident Evil, Death Stranding, and Assassin's Creed natively on a box that fits in the palm of your hand. Think about the economics of that for a second. A PlayStation 5 costs $500. A high-end gaming PC costs $1,500. If Apple can deliver a $99 to $129 box that plays console-quality games with the controller you already own, the market shifts overnight. The 2026 Apple TV 4K is positioned to be the stealth console that finds its way into millions of homes that wouldn't otherwise buy a gaming rig. And let's talk about that price point. One of the most persistent leaks from analysts like Ming-Chi Kuo suggests that Apple is aiming for the sweet spot, under $100. This is a massive departure for a company that usually charges a premium for everything. But Apple has realized that the money isn't in the hardware,